So today what we are doing is we are looking at some different type of questions which are there in your permutation. So permutation I have divided into total 4 parts. Okay, I will explain you like that. Permutation, the number 1 part is which we have seen just now, where your given objects are distinct. Your totally given objects are distinct, like we have taken the example like space, all the letters are distinct, or maybe you have the digits like 1 2 3 4, all the given digits are distinct. Now what we are looking at, some objects are same, some objects are same. For example, let's take the example of Google. Here if you see, the G is repeated and O is repeated, means some objects out of the given objects are repeated, or I can say they are the same. So these type of questions are very important. The next type we will be looking at the circular permutation, and the last one is what the property based questions, that we will see in the next class. So let's have the same objects questions. Okay, one more thing we left, that okay, we will take that part first and then we'll move to this, some objects are different. Okay, there is one question like this, SPACE, we will take the same example, SPACE. How many words we can form such that vowels always together, vowels always together. How many words using the letters of the word space we can form such that vowels in the given word are always together? देखो अभी यहाँ पे what is the meaning of this always together means, आप कहाँ पे भी जाओ in the given word you take, first of all tell me without any condition how many words we can form?
120.
5 factorial.
120.
Okay? 5 factorial. So I can total have 120 words. Abhi in total 120 words I will have some of the words in which the vowels are always together. So in the space if you see SPACE, how many vowels we have?
2.
A and E are the 2 vowels and the remaining S, P and C are the consonants. So I want to have the words like this, S, P, A, E, C. This A, E is always together wherever it may be. Okay, out of these 5 places, आप कहाँ पे भी जाओ, these 2 should be adjacent to each other. मतलब AE आएगा यहाँ पे, और you may get AE here, or you may get AE here. Now, is it okay if I take only AE? Can I take EA also?
Yes.
Yes, I can
Yes,
take
sir.
EA also. I can take EA also. EA also means if I take this EA also, that is also giving me that vowels are always together. Either you take EA or AE, EA or AE. Now if you observe the one thing, that whenever they are always together, we can form a group of these 2 and we can proceed as we have solved all the questions just now. देखो यहाँ पे I will write one note here. Note. What is note is that whenever you get the question like always together, just form a group. Form a group. No formula, nothing is required, just we require the concept, that's it, and very simple it is. Always together means just form a group. अभी देखो magic, they have asked us to have these A and E together, so let's find out the number of possible words we can form. So AE always together बोला है, तो let's find out, let's have a group of AE. AE का group बन गया. Now how many letters are remaining? 1 2 3, these are the 3 letters we have.
3 letters.
So 3 letters are remaining now. So we have formed a group and we will assume that this group is a single object. we'll assume that this group is in a single object. Now tell me how many total objects or how many total letters I am having now. This is, we are considering this AE as a single object. Okay, this AE as a single object we have considered, and these are the three distinct objects we have already given in the question. So in total how many distinct objects I am having now? 4. Okay, so these 4 objects can be arranged in how many ways? 4 objects are there and I want to arrange all of them. So this can be arranged in 4 factorial ways.
4 factorial.
But as you said that sir, AE and EA both are the 2 cases. So these 2 can be permitted in between them. That can be done in how many ways? 2 factorial ways.
2 factorial.
So what do we will do with these 2 numbers? I will multiply. Because I want to permutation. I want to have the permutation in between 4 objects and in between these 2 also. So this is nothing but answer is what? 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Don't worry, I will take some of the again good questions. First tell me, is this okay to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Within a single line you will get the answers for any given question if you have the always case. Let's have one more question here. Example. Suppose there is a family, okay, there is one couple, matlab husband wife, 3 boys and 2 girls. Bada family hai, theek hai. So there is one couple, 3 boys and 2 girls. First of all, tell me how many different photographs you can take, or how many total ways you can arrange them.
7 factorial.
Okay, so first tell me how many distinct objects are there. So 2, 3, 5 and ye 2, 7. So there are total 7 people. So I can arrange them in 7 factorial ways. Now see here. In these 7 factorial ways, how many options are there in which boys are always together? Boys are always together. Now see, we will move a step by step. Boys are always together मतलब, so 3 boys का एक group बन गया. Always together means we form a group. 3 boys का एक group बन गया. How many remaining now? These 2 and these 2 are remaining. So 4 are remaining.
4.
How many distinct objects I am looking at now?
5.
5 distinct objects can be arranged in how many ways? 5 factorial ways.
5 factorial.
These 3 boys can be arranged in how many ways? 3 factorial.
3 factorial.
So that's it. This is what my answer is. 3 factorial into 5 factorial. This is what my answer is. Just 30 seconds, not more than that. Now tell me, so ये हो गया अपना boys together case. Can you give me the answer for the question like girls always together? Girls always together.
6 factorial into
2 factorial into 5 factorial.
गर्ल्स ऑलवेज टुगेदर मतलब देखो अब यहाँ पे गर्ल्स ऑलवेज टुगेदर, जिनको बोला है टुगेदर उनको पहला डाल दो. ओके, 2G विल ऑलवेज टुगेदर. हाउ मेनी डिस्टिंक्ट, हाउ मेनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर रिमेनिंग नाउ? ये 3 और ये 2, 5. हाउ मेनी डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स आई एम हैविंग? 6 objects can be arranged in 6 factorial ways, and 2 girls can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. So the answer is 2 factorial into 6 factorial. That's it. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
There is one more keyword you get very frequently, which is never together. Never together.
So we can do total minus together.
Okay, you can do the total minus together case. Okay, but उससे अच्छा एक मैं आपको बोल दूंगा. So the total minus together, if you do, that is not applicable to all the questions never together. But what I am telling you just right now, that is applicable to all the questions. Yes, bolo.
Sir, I think it should be 3 into 4 factorial. Na?
Which one, boss?
With the boys.
3 into
4 factorial.
no.
Because you have 4.
See here. For this case, if 3 boys are always together, so we formed a group here, and we have taken this group as in one single object. So ये circle एक distinct object हो गया, and these are the 4 remaining people. So this 4 plus this one group, so total 5 distinct objects हो गए. So those 5 distinct objects I am arranging in 5 factorial ways.
Okay.
Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
ओके गुड. सो आपको यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं डाउट आया फिर? यहाँ पे भी सेम डाउट होना चाहिए आपको. ये 5 और एक ग्रुप टोटल 6 हो गए. सो 6 कैन बी अरेंज्ड इन 6 फैक्टोरियल्स एंड दीज 2 कैन बी अरेंज्ड इन 2 फैक्टोरियल्स. ओके, यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See here, never together. We will take the same example. Okay. So the example is like space. SPACE. So how many words? How many words are there? Okay. How many words can be formed? Can be formed such that no vowel together. No vowel together. Okay, so this is a kind of question we have. Means it is exactly opposite what we have done always together. यहाँ पे देखो space में we have 2 vowels A and E and SPA, SPC, these are the 3 consonants. I will write the note again. Very important note. Very important. So wherever throughout the course, wherever I write the note, no, these all are very important. Note, whenever you come across the never together case, just go with the alternate arrangement. And always fix the position of opposite object. I will tell you now what is that mean. देखो यहाँ पे we have the total space SPACE. Okay, so first of all arrange the opposite objects. So उन्होंने vowels को never together बोला है तो उसका opposite आएंगे space SPC, which are the consonants. So first arrange these consonants first. So these 3 can be arranged in how many ways?
3 factorial.
3 factorial. Okay, so देखो यहाँ पे 1 2 3. So यहाँ पे 3 options. For this place I have 3 options. For this place how many options I have? 2. And for this place 2. I have only 1 option. Now see यहाँ पे consonant आ गया, यहाँ पे एक consonant आ गया and यहाँ पे एक consonant आ गया. Now because of these 3 consonants you have created 4 distinct places for the AE. If you fill this AE on any of these yellow color line, you will see that none of the vowel is together. यहाँ पे A डाल दो, यहाँ पे E डाल दो. Is A and E are together?
No sir.
यहाँ पे A डालो और यहाँ पे E डालो. Is A and E together?
No.
So A and E not together means what? There should be at least 1 consonant. So A यहाँ पे आ गया, E यहाँ पे आ गया. कुछ भी करो आप, कुछ भी permutation करो इसका, now you will not get that A and E together. Is this okay to all? So maybe for this you may find it is difficult, but after a few questions you will really appreciate this. Okay, so tell me.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, in the above question, you told us to arrange alternatively.
Yes.
So, do we arrange the consonants alternatively or vowels alternatively? Or is it like different?
See, they have said so vowels are not together. So we have to first arrange the consonants. They said it's vowels not together. So we have to first place the consonants. If suppose the boys are never together, so we have to first select the girls.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I will tell you what will happen if you go with the other way. So if you first arrange the AE out of these 5 places, if you arrange AE first, where will you place A? Now where you will not place E, I will not place E here, but E can go here, here and here. ये एक condition हो गई when your A is at this place, but it is not necessary that A is at this place. A may go here. In that case you cannot put E here, you cannot put E here, but in that case you will have E here only. So when you place these kind of means ये opposite entity हो गया तो थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. So the calculations unnecessarily will increase. So first whenever they have given the vowel, so opposite entity को पहला fix करना है. ओके
Sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Can you explain again never together? I have been getting
Okay.
confused.
देखो यहाँ पे never together means what? See here. Never together means you cannot have the word like this. SPACE में SPACE. I cannot have the word like this. SPAEC. I cannot have word like this in which AE is together. No, this word is not allowed for this case. AESPC. This word is not also not allowed. EPACES. Is this allowed? Yes,
Yes,
it is
sir.
allowed because A and E are now not together. Means to get an suitable word, we'll say that there should be at least one consonant in between two given vowels. A यहाँ पे आ गया. Let's suppose SPC यहाँ पे है और E यहाँ पे. Is this word okay?
Yes, sir.
Because see here there are three vowels, there are three consonants now. A and E are apart, they are far away from each other, so it is also allowed now. So ये आपको कैसा मिलेगा? You will go with the alternate arrangement. So alternate arrangement means what? See here, if I have the consonant, consonant and consonant, these are the three positions we have. Now because of three, you have created the suitable places. These are the four suitable places for the vowels. Now you can place any of the vowel. Now you can place A. How many suitable options are there for A? A can sit here or here or here or here.
Three
So
options.
there are four options for A. There are four options for A. Now how many options are there available for E?
Three.
Only three options because A has occupied one seat. A has occupied one seat. So E के लिए सिर्फ three options है यहाँ पे. Maybe A will go here or E will go here. Doesn't matter. Or A will go here and E will go here. So your word will be like here. A, in this case I am talking about. A, S, E, P, C. Is this allowed to? Is this allowed? Yes, it
Yes,
is
sir.
exactly allowed. No problem. I hope it is making sense to you.
Yes, sir.
See, whenever we get the never together, just remember this. Alternate arrangement will solve this question. Let's take one another question. We'll take the same example. One couple, three boys and two girls. Now I want to have the arrangement in such a way that no boys are together. No boys are together. Abhi boys are never together means what? I will get non-boys first. How many non-boys are there? See, boys means I means to say it's a brother, okay? Boys मतलब यहाँ पे भी एक boy आएगा, okay? उसको consider मत करो. Okay, so three brothers never together. So first you will arrange whom? Couple
Girl.
and girls. बॉय को छोड़ के जितने भी लोग हैं उन सबको मैं पहले अरेंज करूंगा. सो फादर, मदर, थ्री बॉयज एंड टू सिस्टर्स वी हैव. सो अगर तीन ब्रदर साथ में नहीं चाहिए, सो आई विल फर्स्ट फिक्स दीज फोर. ओके, सो 1 2 3 4. सो दीज फोर कैन बी अरेंज्ड इन हाउ मेनी वेज? 4 factorial ways. So 1 2
Yes.
3 4. These are the four positions. So these four can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Now because of these four, how many vacant places you have created? यहाँ पे हो सकता है, यहाँ पे हो सकता है, यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे. So these are the 5 vacant places you have created now. Now tell me, when first brother come, how many options this first brother is having? 5 options.
5.
Second brother को कितने options है?
4.
Third brother को
4.
कितने options है?
3.
So what is your total answer is? 4 factorial
4 factorial.
into 5 into 4 into
5
3. This is what my total answer is. Now see, if you understood this, you can have any random now. B1 यहाँ पे बिठाओ, B2 यहाँ पे बिठाओ, B3 यहाँ पे बिठाओ. You will satisfy the condition. You may have B1, B2, B3 यहाँ पे, but you cannot have B1 and B2 at the same places. No. Is this okay?
Sir, can you explain it again?
Which part?
Brothers wala.
Okay, see here. Never together means you just remember that we are going with the alternate arrangement. I will take one more example with where I will say that the two sisters are never together. देखो. So father, mother, 3 brothers and 2 sisters. Now I want to have 2 sisters never together. Means 2 sisters never together means there should be at least one other than sister in between 2 sisters. Are you getting the point? There should be at least one out of these 5. So first of all, if never together, sisters never together means what I will do, I will first arrange non-sisters first. So non-sister matlab kaun aayega? Father, mother and 3 brothers. So how many people are there? Total 5. So these 5 can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 log ho gayi hai. These are 5 factorial. These are the 5 positions taken by these people. Now because of these 5, how many vacant places you have created? 6. देखो यहाँ पे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vacant places I have created. Now when sister 1 will come, how many options she is looking for? 6 options. When sister 2 comes, she will have only 5 options.
5 options.
So what is my total answer is? It's 5 factorial into 6 into 5. Now one student said that sir total minus none, so total minus together kar do, you will get the answer, but that is not the true for all. That is not the true for all. You will, when you do the practice in the exercise 3.3, you will understand the difference between these two. So for this case, whenever you get the question like this, never together, first fix these things. I will take one more question. Now orally you will answer this question. I am sure that. So there are 5 English books, 2 Hindi books, and suppose 4 maths books are there. So in how many ways you can arrange such that maths books will never together? Maths book will never together. Maths book will never together. So never together means alternate arrangement. So first I will fix the non-maths books. How many non-maths books are there? 7.
7 factorial.
So 7 factorial will come. So because of the 7 objects, how many vacant places you have created? 8.
8.
ओके देखो ना, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. इनके लिए आप कितने वैकेंट प्लेसेस बनाओगे अभी? ये देखो, these are the 8 vacant places I have created. Okay, so don't worry, यहाँ पे जितने भी नंबर होंगे +1 कर दो, you will get those many vacant places. So 7 factorial into, now first maths book will have how many options? 8. Second will have 7. Third will have 6. And fourth will have 5. That's it. This is what my answer is. See, orally we are solving the questions now. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's have one more question.
Yes, sir.
Curtain, C-U-R-T-A-I-N, curtain. Tell me, we will solve 2 questions. Here, vowels together, and यहाँ पे vowels never together. Both question we will solve. Vowels together and vowels never together. So first of all, how many vowels we have total? We have U, we have A, and we have I. So you have 3 vowels now. Vowels together means we form a group of vowels. So how many vowels are there? 3 vowels are there. How many remaining non-vowels? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 है. 7 में से 3 चले गए, 4 बाकी. How many distinct objects I am looking at? 5 distinct objects can be arranged in how many ways? 5 factorial. These 3 can be arranged in how many ways? 3 factorial.
3 factorial.
My answer is what? 3 factorial into
5 factorial into 3 factorial.
Very good, excellent. Now coming to the next question. Never together.
तो 6 factorial होगा ना?
कैसे 6 factorial आएगा? ये 4 objects, ये 4 objects प्लस ये एक ऑब्जेक्ट हो गया अपना ग्रुप. सो 4, 1, 5.
ओ सॉरी, हाँ करेक्ट.
हाँ ठीक है. ओवर थिंकिंग मत करो. ओवर थिंकिंग किया तो ऐसे प्रॉब्लम होता है. ठीक है, जोक्स अपार्ट. लेट्स हैव द नेक्स्ट वन. नेवर टुगेदर. नेवर टुगेदर मीन्स आई विल अरेंज फर्स्ट कॉन्सोनेंट्स. वॉवेल बोला है नेवर टुगेदर, पहले नॉन वॉवेल को फिक्स करो. हाउ मेनी नॉन वॉवेल्स आर देयर? 4. So 4 can be arranged in how many ways? 4 factorial.
4 factorial.
Because of 4, how many vacant places? 5. So पहला vowel how many options? 5. दूसरा vowel?
4.
तीसरा vowel?
3.
This is what my answer is. How simple it is.
Get it?
Very simple. Is this okay?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, got it.
Perfect. Now let's we have only 15 minutes remaining. Okay, no problem. See, I have invested near about 15 to 20 minutes on this concept, never together and always together. It is the 5-star question. You will 100% get one question on this, though it is from the permutation, though it is from the combination, or though it is from the probability. The note or the concept will remain same. Never together, alternate arrangement, always together, form a group. That's it. Now let's move to the second part where